Hello and welcome to LeetCode question 2540 minimum common value. Given two integer arrays num1 and num2 sorted in non-descending order, return the minimum integer which is common to both the arrays. So if a number exists in nums1 array and is also there in nums2 array and is a minimum value, we return that. So how to go about solving this? Let's look at the example to understand the question even better. So if I have a nums1 array which is 1, 2 and 3, and there is a nums2 array as well which is 2 and 4, on a visual inspection we come to know that 2 is the answer, right, which is the lowest and exists in both the arrays. And when you take the example number 2, 1 2 3 6 and 2 3 4 5, so 2 is again the same common. So the solution for this is here. It's very simple. You have two arrays nums1 and nums2. So for that I have a index to go over all the elements. I call it I and j and initialize them to 0. And in the while loop I'm going to check if I is less than nums1 dot length and j is less than nums2 dot length. And inside the while loop what I do is I check is the nums1, that's the first array's index is I, is that equal to nums2 index j. If both are same, then return that particular number. Else, if it is it less than nums1 element, is it less than the nums2 element? If that's the case, then the first array pointer has to be incremented, which is I. Otherwise, the second array pointer has to be incremented. And if I don't find it within the while loop, then return -1. It's very simple. And when I submit the code, it's accepted. So that's pretty much about it.